Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Akbar. I'm from Pusi Social Welfare.
Hello, my name is Satriani Pratama. I'm from 2A Social Welfare.
Good morning, sir. I am Akbar. I work also about care.
Nice to meet you, Akbar. Good morning too. How can I help you today?
I'm feeling confusion about my career direction. I will to working in marketing for 5 years.
Okay, for 5 years. I understand. Okay. What makes you feel unsatisfied with your current job?
I feel this job doesn't. I like my passion. I'm more interested work technology.
Okay, technology. Interesting. I have one question for you. Do you already have some experience or background in technology?
I only have basic experience. I took an online coding courses and really enjoy it.
Okay, that's good, Akbar. So you already have some small step with direction you want. And one question again, have you considered taking more some courses or formal education in technology?
Yes, I'm thinking about taking maybe an education program in IT.
In IT, okay, that's good. That's a valid concern too. Okay, once again, I repeat, that's a valid concern too. Maybe you can look for some flexible program or scholarship with the help your course. That's two for the help your course in independence. And also many tech companies overtraining new employees.
That's a great idea. I will look for more information on those program. Do you have any other suggestion?
Okay, let me think. I recommend that you or try find some mentor. Do you know mentor? Yes. Next, someone who can provide guidance and advice based on their own experience.
Alright, I will try to find a mentor and join the communities, and thank you very much for your efforts, sir.
Okay, Akbar, I really glad become this place. Okay, for your good luck and best of luck for your career chance, and my God bless you anymore. Thank you very much. You can come to me again if you have some problem in the other day. You must go. You won't go to me again. Okay.
Okay, thank you